First of all, let's just start off with this olive oil and how gorgeous I know it's already gonna be. This was gifted to me from the brand, and look how well and the time they took to protect this. So first of all, you know that your investment is going to be well protected for you to be able to enjoy every last drop. So let's open it up and let's see what it looks like once we get everything open. Now, just look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous this is a glass bottle. It's beautiful. This is Atlas olive oil. This one specifically is the extra virgin organic olive oil. Look at that, so beautiful. Now, this is for someone that if you're tired of just the mass-produced olive oils that give that bitter taste, leaving like a harsh burning sensation in the back of your throat, or maybe they completely ruin like the delicate flavors of your home-cooked meal. This is such a great treat. This is Atlas 100% extra virgin Moroccan olive oil. And the very first thing that jumped out to me is how it's made. So the olives are grown in a unique and rare climate in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. So utilizing that specific geographic advantage of that area, they have a high reaching area to produce premium nutrient dense olives, and Atlas olive oils really provides itself on cold pressing these olives to ensure that they are sourced and produced at the highest quality. Now, the first major question you probably have before investing in a premium cooking oil is what actually is going to set this apart to maximize the health benefits for your family. So this extra virgin olive oil is crafted only using single pressing of the olives. And what that means is the oil retains its maximum natural health benefits, antioxidants, and pure properties right out of the grove. And because it's completely organic and it's entirely free from any added chemicals or preservatives or destructive ingredients, making it just 100% safe and reliable for your everyday meal preparation for your family, for your loved ones. So that might lead into a second question, is what does it actually taste like? And will it totally overpower your food? And you're absolutely gonna love how delicately the aroma of this blend is and how it beautifully captures like almonds, culinary herbs, and a mixed sweet of bananas, lemons, and crisp basil. The overall taste and profile is just super smooth and delicate. And it just helps to elevate your ingredients without overwhelming them. It's versatile enough that you can use it for everyday cooking, light sauteing, or as premium as a finishing oil for baking, or maybe your artisan breads or gourmet desserts. Now, question number 3. How do we know it actually lives up to luxury restaurant quality standards? And you don't have to just take my word for it, but so many award-winning exclusive restaurants, luxury hotels, prestigious gourmet stores, and high preservative institutions across the globe chose Atlas to create dishes for exclusive and demanding public. This olive oil just provides exceptionally rich and clean and balanced culinary asset for any home or kitchen. If you are ready to elevate your family meals and upgrade to a globally recognized single pressed extra virgin experience, then this Moroccan olive oil is just a phenomenal addition to have in your kitchen pantry.